No Fear was a 5-year research project, funded by the EU's Horizon 2020 programme and dedicated to creating a network of healthcare workers, suppliers, researchers and policymakers, spanning the emergency medicine and disaster response fields. In a world of unpredictable threats, fragmented supply chains and communication, and erratic standardisation, No Fear assembled a consortium comprising 18 organisations from across Europe and beyond. These partners have worked to create multidisciplinary spaces for impactful innovation in emergency medicine. As the project wraps up, it has produced a platform of cutting-edge recommendations, the No Fear portal, identifying the tools and projects that are most promising in this field, as well as more than 20 quick wins of medical or logistical innovations suitable for immediate adoption. Most importantly, No Fear has built a network of international healthcare specialists united by a desire to exchange expertise and collaborate as new threats emerge. In its first incarnation, the project focused on the healthcare response to security-related incidents. While preparation for unanticipated hazards was fundamental, the arrival of the COVID-19 pandemic in early 2020, with its catastrophic health and societal impacts, required agility from the No Fear consortium. This sudden devastation highlighted precarious medical supply chains and information sharing like never before, as needs and working practices shifted dramatically. Throughout the pandemic, No Fear used its multinational network to share experiences and best practice in real time, providing reliable information through its own webinar series, more than 20 academic publications, and numerous blogs, conference presentations, and networking opportunities. These exchanges informed and assisted practitioners, suppliers, and researchers around the world, as the network evaluated personal protective equipment design and procurement, the logistics of oxygen supply, the physical and emotional well-being of medical staff, service provision to vulnerable groups, and the opportunities of vaccine rollout, telemedicine, and innovations in PPE and disinfection practices. The war in Ukraine has further highlighted the need for medical experts to adapt to emergent disasters and their unpredictable fallouts. No Fear is proud to have built a network of more than 200 active practitioners, decision and policymakers from 31 countries. It has identified more than 150 active suppliers and innovators, and engaged those groups through the portal and events organised both virtually and around the world. The project has produced training manuals on reducing risks for medical staff in healthcare facilities and high-risk situations, a special edition of the journal Médecine de Catastrophe, and a pioneering better practice guide for the development of standards. It has conducted technical demonstrations, showcases and workshops, convening diverse researchers, officials and suppliers in Norway, Italy, Spain, France, Belgium, Israel and the Netherlands. These interactions have led to concrete achievements, with protective and patient-facing tools including FFP2 masks for healthcare workers, developed by BLS, and the innovative in-ear vital sign sensor announced by Cosinus. No Fear has explored topics including scene safety, training practices, and the lessons learned from a cyber attack on the Irish Health Service. And foresight exercises have delineated the future threat landscape. The project has also conducted full-scale disaster simulation activities, coordinating agencies and medical facilities in complex exercises aimed at improving responses and cooperation in realistic cases, such as mass casualty attacks. Emergency medical practitioners should expect the unexpected, and near-term challenges in the political, economic, social, technical, environmental and security arenas are guaranteed. No Fear has built a community committed to developing resilient and reactive disaster medicine responses internationally, and ensuring that life-saving emergency medicine can be advanced, scientific uncertainty mitigated, and better practice shared. We look forward to the No Fear network continuing to exert its influence.